Okay, so today I'm going to show you the word problems involving gallons and quarts and volume, the cups, everything with liquid volume. So on the STAR test or whatever test you're taking, it's most likely not going to say just something easy like how many quarts are in 28 gallons, okay? It's going to actually be a word problem, and sometimes you're going to have to add and stuff like that. Sometimes you won't be able to just convert them. You're not going to be able to use the pig. So let's see. It says Annie has 2 gallons and 3 quarts of chocolate ice cream. She has 1 gallon and 8 quarts of vanilla ice cream. How much ice cream in gallons and quarts does she have? So we're trying to find out how much ice cream she has in total. So if we're trying to figure out how much she has in total, ask yourself, what do I have to do? If you said add, you are correct. So she has 2 gallons and 3 quarts of chocolate ice cream, and she has 1 gallon and 8 quarts of vanilla ice cream. So look, there's 2 ways you can do this. I'm going to start off with the picture way since it's a little problem. There's a way you can actually draw it out, but sometimes the numbers are going to be too high, so you're going to have to just add and subtract. So we'll start off with the picture way, and then I'll show you how to do it with the numbers. But the numbers is the most important way because, like I said, sometimes the numbers are going to be too big for you to draw. Since these are small, we can just draw them. So she has 2 gallons and 3 quarts of chocolate ice cream, so I'm going to draw 2 gallons and 3 quarts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this represents her chocolate ice cream because she has 2 gallons and 3 quarts. Then she has 1 gallon and 8 quarts of vanilla. So I'm going to draw 1 gallon and then 8 quarts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 quarts of vanilla. So we want to find out how much ice cream she has in total. Okay, and since we basically added them, that's 3 gallons and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 quarts. But do you see that on the answer choices? No, there's not one that has 3 gallons and 11 quarts. So think of this as money. Think of these gallons as dollars and these quarts as quarters. Okay, would we say that if someone had $3 bills and 11 quarters, would they say we have $3 and 11 quarters? No, we would change 4 of those quarters into a dollar. And that's the same thing we have to do with quarts. Okay, think of quarts, quarters. They both mean 25%, which is 1 out of 4. So we need to take 4 of these quarts and turn them into a gallon. So look, I take away 4 and I'm going to change them into 1 gallon. Ask yourself, can I take another 4 quarts to make a gallon? Yes, you can, because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. So you can take 4 of those, and they're going to change into a gallon. And then ask yourself, do I have enough to take 4 more quarts? No, there's only 3 left. So this would be our final answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gallons. And 1, 2, 3 quarts. Okay, now let me show you the number way, which I think is easier. So look, we have 2 gallons and 3 quarts, and then 1 gallon and 8 quarts. So now we can just add them. Okay, that leaves us with 3 gallons and 11 quarts. But like I said, that's not one of our answer choices. We have to change these quarts into gallons. And we can't do the pig because you'll have a remainder. Or you could, but you'll have a remainder. So it's just easier to do it this way. Ask yourself, can I take away 4 of these quarts to make a gallon? Yes, so 11 minus 4 is 7. Now this is very important. I want you to circle the minus 4, and I'll show you why. We have 7 more quarts. Can we take away another 4? Yes, we can. 7 minus 4 is 3. Circle it again, very important. Can we take away another 4 quarts? We cannot, so that means 3 quarts is going to be our final answer, and then you need to know how many gallons you have to add here. So every time you circle minus 4, that's 1 gallon, because it takes 4 quarts to make a gallon. So this is 1 gallon, and this is 1 gallon. So we need to add 2 gallons here. So plus 2 leaves us with 5 gallons, 3 quarts, just like with the picture. Okay, let's do another one. This time we're just going to do the numbers. Or, yeah, we're just going to do the numbers, because look, this one's, it's too much to draw 15 quarts. That's a lot. So since they're already like this, we're just going to add them. Okay, so this is 7 gallons. 4 plus 3 is 7. 9 plus 6 is 15. So we have 7 gallons and 15 quarts. So ask yourself, can I take away 4 gallons here to make, 4 quarts to make a gallon? Yes, so minus 4. Remember, circle it. It's very important. 15 minus 14 is 11. Can I take away another 4 from 11? Yes, if someone has $11, you can borrow $4 from them. So 11 minus 4 is 7. Circle it. Very important. Can I take away another 4? Yes, if someone has $7, you can take away $4, or you can borrow $4. And that leaves us with 3. Can we take away another 4? No. So our final answer will have 3 quarts, and then you need to know how many gallons have you just made. We took away 4 quarts to make 1 gallon, 2 gallons, 3 gallons. So we're going to add 3, and 7 plus 3 is 10. So our final answer is going to be 10 gallons and 3 quarts. Okay, pretty easy. Let's do one more together and see if you can do the last one on your own. And this is what you're going to do for the exit ticket today. So we have 6 gallons and 13 quarts plus 5 gallons and 6 quarts. So let's go ahead and add them. That's 11 gallons. And then let's add the quarts. 6 plus 3 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1. So we have 19 quarts, 11 gallons. So again, we need to take 4 quarts and make a gallon. So we can take away 4 from 19. Circle it. The circles let you know how many gallons you're going to be adding. So 9 minus 4 is 5. We can take away another 4. That's 11. We can take away another 4. That's 7. We can take away another 4. And that leaves us with 3. So final answer, we're going to have 3 quarts. And then we need to add our gallons. So how many gallons did we just make? We made 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to add 4 gallons to the 11 plus 4. And that leaves us with 15. So our final answer is going to be 15 gallons and 3 quarts. Okay, try this next one on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, try it on your own, and then unpause the video to see if you got it correct. Okay, hopefully you tried it on your own, so let's go ahead and see if you got it right. 4 gallons and 6 quarts plus 12 gallons and 3 quarts. So let's add them. That is 6 and 1, 16 quarts, and then 6 plus 3 is 9. 16 gallons, 9 quarts. So now we need to change these gallons into quarts. So we're going to take away 4 quarts to make 1 gallon. That leaves us with 5. Can we take away another 4 quarts? Yes, if someone has 5, we can take away 4. That leaves us with 1 quart left. And then now we need to see how many gallons we just made out of these quarts. So we made 2 gallons. So plus 2 would be 18. So our final answer is 18 gallons and 1 quart. Okay, so this is how you do the exit ticket. Please watch the video at the same time, or watch it before and then even watch it at the same time, so you'll know how to do it if you get confused.